What's up, Savage Team? Alright, so I'm in my sister's room. Not gonna show her floor or her bed because, it's a wreck. But today's video is gonna be about, a new bird that my sister bought. And I can't get the name right. Patrick or Patrick. Amanda, if you see this video, tell me if I got the name right, because I don't know. But this is the bird. She's kind of being weird. Hey, you want to come out? Alright, I think today's video is going to be about me holding her, taking her out, I think. You want to come? Come on. If she comes out, this would be like a great video. But if she doesn't, I don't know what would be a great video. But come on. Come on. Don't bite me. Don't bite my hand. Come on down. Come here. I hope I could get her to come out, because I want all of you to see this bird. But I think she's gonna come down. Come on. No, don't bite my hand. Oh my god, this bird is such a weird one. She came out twice for me today. And I want her to come out for me again today. Come on. Come on. You're here. Come on. Hey. Hey, come on. Come here, Patra. And here she is. Come here. Up. Here's the bird. It was hard for me to get her, but I got her. This is Patra. Is that right, Amanda? If you see this video, Amanda, don't bite me. Ow, ow, stop it. Stop it. Amanda, if you watch this video, is that right? Is it Patra or Patrick? Because I don't know. I don't know, right? And she's trying to bite my lip. You gotta stop. You have dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. She's a good bird. See? She's dancing for us. Let her dance for you guys. Let's see. Dance, 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 dance. Come on, dance. Dance, 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 dance. What? So if you guys like this kind of bird, comment below that you like this kind of bird. Because those birds, I do not like no more. This is my favorite one. It's okay. It's okay. This is my favorite bird. But if you like this kind of bird, like the button 1,000 lights. Right? Or 1,500 lights. She said 1,500 lights, so do it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dance, dance, dance. And if you guys get 1,500 lights for this bird, that would be a lot for her. Dance, dance, dance. Ow, ow. Dance, 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 dance. Now, don't bite my hand. She likes to bite people's fingers, but she's a great bird. Yeah. Alright, you want to go back in? Go. Go, Petra. I guess she doesn't want to go back in. She likes me, I guess. But if you guys like this kind of bird that doesn't try to bite my finger. Ow! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I think she's trying to give me kisses. Stop it. All right. Here. Go. 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 I can't hold you. Or just do that. Yes. Alright. I'm going to end the video here. If you guys love this bird, comment below. You want to say bye? Say dance, dance, dance. 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 Dance, 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 dance. She just danced for you guys. Alright. Peace. What's up, Savage Team? Again. Alright, so instead of ending the video there, oh, there she goes. Amanda, if you can see this video, she literally just climbed up my, shirt. She's biting my lip now. I don't know if that means kisses or something, but, ow. Ow. Good birdie. Who loves birds? Because if you love birds, they're so friendly and cute. But yeah, peace out.